In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your bank details to a Xero invoice so your clients know exactly where and how to pay you. Adding your bank information directly to your invoice template saves time, reduces payment delays, and makes your business look more professional. The best part is, once you set this up properly, it will automatically appear on all future invoices using that template. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero guides just like this. Now, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your organization name. Go ahead and click on your organization name. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings menu for your organization. Here, you want to find and click on Invoice Settings. This is where you can control how your invoices look, including branding themes, templates, and the payment information that appears on them. Inside Invoice Settings, you'll see a list of your branding themes. Most accounts have a default theme called Standard, but you may have created custom themes for different clients or invoice types. Identify the branding theme that you currently use for your invoices. Once you found it, click on the Options button next to that theme. From the drop-down that appears, select Edit. This will open up the template editor for that specific invoice branding theme. Now you'll see various sections that control what appears on your invoice. Scroll down until you find the large text box labeled Terms and Payment Advice, sometimes shown as Terms and Payment Advice Invoice and Statement. This is the section where you can add your payment instructions, including your bank details. Click inside that text box. Here is where you'll type your bank details directly. Make sure the information is accurate and clearly formatted so your clients can easily follow it. For example, you could write something like, please pay to your bank name, account number, your account number, sort code, your sort code. Use the invoice number as payment reference. If you're outside the UK, you might include details such as your IBAN, SWIFT, or BEAC code instead. The key is to include all the information your customer needs to complete the payment without having to email you for clarification. You can also add additional payment instructions in this box. For example, you might include your payment terms, such as payment due within 14 days, or late payments may be subject to fees. Keep the wording clear and professional. Once you've entered your bank details and reviewed everything carefully for accuracy, go ahead and click Save. This is very important. If you navigate away without saving, your changes will not be applied. After saving, your bank details will now automatically appear on every invoice that uses this specific branding theme. To double check, you can create a draft invoice and preview it to confirm that the payment information appears exactly as you expect. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank details to your Xero invoice template. From now on, you won't need to manually type your bank information each time you send an invoice, which saves time and helps you get paid faster. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials and small business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.